So hi friends, I came with lots of important opportunity from the Amazon, Zoho and various important opportunity. So first important opportunity that I want to share with all of you, that is from the Amazon. They are hiring for the role of software development engineer 1, and this is Amazon University Talent Acquisition. So earlier this hiring was also open and registration was closed. Now they have reopened the registration. So by the way, if you have missed, now this is a wonderful opportunity to apply for that. And these are the jobs, roles and responsibility. You will collaborate with experienced cross disciplinary and design and build innovative technology, create solution to run predictions. And you know, Amazon, I think everyone is aware of this company. This is a wonderful opportunity, everyone should apply. So who are eligible? So you should be doing bachelor's degree in computer science, computer engineering or related fields. Means computer science related field, if you are doing bachelor degree, then only you are eligible for this. And knowledge of CS fundamentals, oops concept and data structure is a mandatory things. Okay, so knowledge of programming language such as C++, Python, Java or this. So if you have these basic qualifications, you are eligible for this opportunity and everyone should apply. Okay, make sure to apply with your updated resume, because you have to change the resume according to the job requirement. That's the thing in every video I am focusing on. Okay, so preferred qualification, if you have some technical internship and all those things, then you will be preferred, but make sure to apply for this role. Coming to next important opportunity from the BNY, they are hiring for the role of associate compliance and control. And BNY is also a good company, so you can go through complete job link in the description. So who are legal? So if you have finance degree, preferred 0 to 3 year of total work experience. These freshers are legal. So if you know any other person, then you can also share this job link with them. Next important opportunity, that is from the Indian company Zoho. They are hiring for the role of software developer, and this is a full-time role. So whatever the job description, you will design and develop high volume, low latency application, contribute to all phases of the product, and write well designed, testable, and efficient code. So this will be your responsibility, and this is the tech domain. So if you want to apply, you can apply. For applying, just click here, I am interested, and then you will be redirected to new page, and from where you can just fill all those details. Okay, so when you will click I am interested, then these are the details you have to fill, means name and all, resume, current CTC, if you have some experience. If you have fresher, then you can also apply for these things. So friends, these are the some of the important opportunity. And again saying friends, keep applying for means various off campus drive. Currently HCL tech hiring is going on, so if you haven't apply, must apply. eBuy, Accenture, these are the wonderful opportunity, everyone should apply. And make sure to focus on the NQTs too. Okay, besides applying, you have to focus on NQT, because NQT will be a biggest opportunity. And you can see the ratio in selection ratio in these days, they have rehired the candidates who have been rejected previously. So you can see they have requirement, and you know, you can crack this. Okay, so just focus on this. You can also follow our coding series playlist, which I've already launched. And if you need any preparation material now, then I am sharing free of cost in my WhatsApp or Telegram group, so you can join there and get all those benefits free of cost. कोई भी query है, feel free to ask, sir, comment here. And one important thing, that Cognizant hiring has still going on for 3 year degree program. So if you haven't applied, must apply for that. So hope informative to you. Till then, bye bye. Meet you in the next video. Thank you.